Cash App is a popular mobile finance app, but before you decide to download and start using it, there are a few key things you need to know that could make or break your experience. Whether you're looking to send money, manage investments, or even use a cash card, Cash App has its pros and cons, and it's important to understand them before committing. In this video, I'll walk you through 12 things you need to know about Cash App, so stay tuned. First thing, Cash App allows you to send and receive money instantly, which is convenient for splitting bills or paying friends. Unlike some competitors, like PayPal or Venmo, Cash App doesn't charge fees for sending money from your linked bank account or debit card. However, sending money via a credit card incurs a 3% fee, so it's important to keep that in mind when using the app for transactions. Next thing to note is that Cash App has its own debit card, called the Cash Card, which gives you instant access to the money in your Cash App balance. While this can be useful for daily purchases, keep in mind that using your Cash Card for ATM withdrawals will cost you a $2 fee, and that's something you might not get with other cards from competitors like Venmo, which has no ATM fees. The third thing is the ability to invest in stocks and Bitcoin directly from Cash App. While this sounds great, especially compared to traditional brokers, Cash App's investing options are somewhat limited. It's easy to use, but you won't have access to as many investment products or detailed analysis compared to apps like Robinhood or E-Trade, which offer more robust features. The fourth thing you should know is that Cash App's fees can add up if you're not careful. While sending money from your bank account is free, there are transaction fees if you use instant transfers, which charge a 1.5% fee for moving funds to your linked bank account instantly. Standard transfers, on the other hand, are free, but take 1 to 3 business days. Fifth thing to consider is the security of Cash App. The app is equipped with two-factor authentication and encryption, but its customer service is known to be lacking. Unlike competitors like PayPal, which has dedicated support teams for disputes and issues, Cash App's customer support can be difficult to reach, which can be frustrating if something goes wrong. Next thing, Cash App is a great option for budgeting and managing your spending. The app includes a simple-to-use transaction history and the ability to create spending categories. However, it doesn't offer the same level of tracking or reporting as some budgeting apps like Mint, which is worth considering if tracking every penny is important to you. The seventh thing is Cash App's ability to purchase Bitcoin. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, Cash App offers a user-friendly way to buy and sell Bitcoin. However, unlike dedicated platforms like Coinbase, Cash App doesn't offer as many options for buying or selling other types of cryptocurrency. If you're looking for a more diverse crypto portfolio, you might want to check out alternatives. The eighth thing is that Cash App offers direct deposit for your paycheck. You can have your paycheck sent directly to your Cash App account with no fees, which is a nice perk. However, it's not as widely accepted for direct deposit as more traditional banking services, and some employers may not offer it. The ninth thing to keep in mind is the Cash Boost feature, which allows you to earn discounts at certain stores when using your Cash Card. While it's a cool feature, the discounts are limited to a small selection of brands, so it's not something you'll use all the time. Next, the app is very user-friendly. Its simple interface makes it easy to navigate and use, even for people who aren't very tech-savvy. However, some users find it lacks advanced features, such as the detailed financial tools and reporting options found in apps like Mint or Personal Capital. The 11th thing is that Cash App has a referral program that rewards you for bringing friends into the app. While this is a nice bonus, it's not as lucrative as some of the referral programs from other apps in the finance space. And finally, Cash App has a mobile check deposit feature, but it's only available to select users who have been verified. It's a nice feature if you're looking to deposit checks remotely, but don't expect it to be as seamless as the process offered by traditional banks or other apps with check deposit features. To wrap up, Cash App is a solid mobile finance app for sending money, investing in stocks or Bitcoin, and managing your cash flow. It's a good option if you want a straightforward, easy-to-use app, but it does have its limitations compared to other apps in the finance space. If you want to try a more comprehensive solution that offers more features